You can either use an existing template or create a custom size for your new design in Canva. If you choose to use an existing template, all you have to do is go to the left-hand side of templates, and you can use all these templates here, depending on if you have the free or pro plan. If you are on the free plan, you cannot use a pro plan template. How do you determine that? Is by this symbol right here. So if you're on the pro plan, then you can use this template. If you're on the free plan, you would have to subscribe to the pro plan in order to be able to use this template. So you can either use these templates here, and there are many of them, or you can create your own presentation, social media, video, or you can create your own custom size design. In your custom size design, you can choose the units that you want to use. So pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. Let's say for a video itself, if I want to create a YouTube video, I can also type in YouTube video. And I can just simply select this option here. And I can start creating a video using this Canva design. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my content, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.